Welcome to day 3 for our sneak peeks for our February release. I'm super excited to share the Stamp and Die of the Month and the Paper Pad Club of the Month. Now, if you're new here, I'm Jamie, the creator and owner of Not Too Shabby. We make fun and unique paper crafting products like paper pads, ephemera, stamps, dies. We love sharing ideas and inspiration through YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Our goal is to make crafting simple and enjoyable for everyone. So I'm so glad you're here. So let's dive into what's coming out on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So we have a paper pad club of the month. It's super fun. You get 2 beautiful paper pads. They're 6x6. You have the option to add coordinating ephemera to your subscription. So when you check out, it'll ask you if you want to add the ephemera or not. There'll be 1 pack of ephemera that comes with your 2 paper pads that will match one of the paper pads really nicely. The other paper pad usually has some cutouts on the inside, so you can cut them out and create your own ephemera, like I did with these 2 cards here. So these images were cut out from the Fresh as Cotton. The paper was also used from this paper pad here. I grabbed a sentiment from our previous stamp set, Always and Forever. You can find that in the shop. I'll have it linked down below. And then the stamp set I used for this one is our Stamp of the Month Cozy Corner. So I think these turned out really beautiful. This card here would make a great card for someone maybe getting married, as a bridal shower card or a sweet 16, something like that. Really pretty. This one, I just love it with the books. There's a book theme paper sheet in this pad. Goes really well with the image. So super pretty. And on my cards, I used doodlebug doilies that you can find in our shop. So let's take a look at this Fresh as Cotton paper pad. So I do have some cutouts left over from my project. So there's a backpack, a little jar of pens and pencils, and then we have a little cappuccino and a little macaron and this beautiful bouquet of roses. There's another girl. You get 4 of each sheet. They are double-sided. Really pretty neutrals this month. Really pretty roses and florals. So you get 4 of these sheets. So fun. And then you get a solid on the back if you didn't want to use the images. And then we've got the book paper. Really pretty flowers. Really, really love this paper pad. Nice watercolor stripes, these beiges and grays, creams. This is a really cute pattern, these little bubbles. And then we've got some bows on the back. Really pretty floral. And then on the back, we have this really pretty knit print, like a cozy blanket or sweater. So that was Fresh as Cotton. You are able to join our club and save 18% off when you join monthly, or you can purchase our clubs as a one-time purchase. When you join, you get the 18% off. You also get a juicy discount to shop all month long to our shop. This one is Cottage Comforts. So this one has the coordinating ephemera. So let's take a look. And meet me back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time. Either 9 a.m. I'll have a video up, or 10 I will be doing a live. So I have to check my schedule and see what I can fit in. And the release is at 9 a.m. So I used 1 sheet for this card here. So those 2 sheets I used on this card. I did use one of the stamps from the box of the month, This one here is called From Our Barn, so this is in the box of the month. And if you're interested in the box of the month, get on our waiting list. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. I will send out an email blast if any spots open for the box of the month. Right now our subscription is full. From Our Barn to Yours, I used that cute little sentiment there. I thought this turned out super, super cute. Look at those cute little chicks. So adorable. And I did use this pattern for my next card here. So I used the opposite side for little accents on there. This little cute little chicken is also from a stamp from the box of the month called Farm Life. And it says life is better with chickens. And then I used the little chick paper in the background and this cute little chick sitting up top there with the lettuce. So I had to add a little twine bow and a doodlebug doily. So this color palette's really cute. It's got the green, it's got like an orange, it's got this little like an olivey green color, like a pale orange, browns, really cute. This is like a tone-on-tone butterfly background. This is so pretty, this print here. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a beautiful, like, tangled tree with flowers. And then on the back we have some chocolate bows. And then this cute little dainty print of some wildflowers. And then some bigger wildflowers on the back. Who's excited for this month's release? I'm going to spread out the ephemera pieces for you. Okay, so let's take a look at the stamp and die of the month. You can join our club and get your stamp and die delivered every 30 days, or purchase this as a one-time purchase. You do get the best deal when you subscribe. So this is Cozy Corner, and I think it's really cute. If you join me on the 1st, I will be doing a video using this stamp set here. So I'll give you some inspiration. I just can't wait to color this up, this cute little hutch. There's sugar and bowls and a little pie up there. We've got some curtains, a little table, we've got a rug, a little vase that you can put on top of your table, a nice comfy chair or a cozy cup of tea that you can put up there. You could have your little cat sitting on this chair or next to it, or maybe even sitting on the rug. We have a sentiment. Every corner tells a story. You do get a magnetic sheet with your die, so you could store it away nice and easy. It'll keep everything in place for you. So thank you guys for checking out our last day of sneak peeks. Come back tomorrow for our release. I can't wait to share more. The design team will have videos up all month long, sharing lots of inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.